Help! I ate my tank! Oh no! Hello guys and welcome back to another Roblox video. And in today's video we are going to play Adopt Me. And yeah, I got this Dino car, the legendary car that is a new update on Adopt Me. And I got the Dino car from a big gift, okay? And the big gift is only from the yeah, whatever it is. And then the percentage is 1.5%. And then how did I get that? Okay, let's wait for our friend. Okay, here it is. This is my friend. It's called Moonlight_Dust. Subscribe to him too, okay? She's a girl, okay. Okay. I know. Her name is pretty hard to say. DDGS. She teleported me. Okay, now I need a shower. And then yeah, this is our room. This is our new house, by the way. Our new apartment. Rate this house. What out of 10? Okay, guys. And this TV, it's a modern TV. It costs. Do you guys know how much it cost? It cost $3,025. Okay. And then also I forgot to tell you guys. Here is the not done room. It's still building in progress. And this is gonna be the luxury room, the white modern room, Christmas white. I don't know. Okay, and also this is almost the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to me, and also my friend. She is called on YouTube Moonlight_Dust. Okay. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos. Okay, and don't forget to ring the bell. Notification bell, you know that, right? Good. I've told you subscribe to the notification bell. And also we got memes too after this, so don't forget. Don't click off the video first, okay? Okay, the first meme is this guy wants to get kidnapped and help! I ate my tank! Oh no! Oh. Yeah, of course, you're a turtle. How about this one? Yeah. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.